dance show! Oh no! Huh? Hey Chris, I think I see the ball. Let's get it. Oh, that's good! What is that? Come on, let's go check. Oh, it's really hard to go in there. Yeah, right. It's a car. It's a McQueen car. How many years was it here? I don't know, maybe like 100 or something? I think we can fix the car so we can ride on it. Michael, we need an ATV to get it out. Okay, let's go. Go. Michael, go back. So yeah, let's do that. Michael, look. This motor is so rusty. Done, Michael. Okay, let's go. Good boy. Mike, come. Come here. Stop. Yes. Okay, Chris. Let's go.
Wow, it's a real legend, but it's too old. It's so rusty.
Uncle, can you help us restore the car?
Yes, and it will look like a brand new car.
Yay!
Let's go, let's do it.
We'll clean you, buddy. Nice. Let's do it, Chris. Okay.
Let's wash it up.
Wow, so cool.
Okay, wash the car, done. The next step is disassemble parts.
Okay. We gotta remove the door. Okay, Mike. We disassembled the parts. We need to remove the engine. Uncle!
The engine is heavy, so we gotta use this crane. We're ready, come on. Up. Yes.
Wow, it's really dirty. Let's wash it. Let's wipe it clean. Done.
The next step is welding works.
Ready.
Remember kids, welding is not a toy.
Done. Kids, remember, safety first. We're done! We need to paint the car. Okay. Wow.
Let's bring back our car to the life.
Okay.
Let's go. Now let's change the color.
job. Yeah, this deserves a like. Let's put the wheels.
This car needs a brand new spoiler.
Let's put the door back.
So beautiful car, guys.
Done.
Thanks, guys. You did an awesome job.
Kids, remember,
Every old toy deserves a second chance. Yay!
Now let's go for a ride.
I'm stuck. Uncle, I'm home.
Oh, Chris, look at your dirty hands. Go wash them now.
Okay.
Oh, Chris, come play with me. Run, Chris, it's a micro. Run, Chris. Oh, it's coming. Run, run, run. Where did it come from?
I didn't wash my hands. Guys, I got a candy for you. Candy?
Chris, stop! It's a trap!
Maybe I have one idea.
Okay, let's go. Let's get rid of this microbe.
I'm ready.
Come on! Hey, you, microbe! What's this? My water is over!
Me too.
What are we gonna do now, Chris?
Follow me.
Go, 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 go! This is what we need, Chris! Oh, it's coming! We need to refill them! Come on, come on, come on! Wow, yay!
Uh-oh.
We have to run! Come on! Hold it, Chris! We need to figure out something, Chris!
I have an idea. Let me call him.
Mr. Bacteria!
No, bacteria doesn't go. Hey.
What did you
trees on the phone. It's so funny. Okay, let's check.
Clean.
Good job, Chris.
Oh, we got bubble blasters.
Wow.
Uncle, it was so tough.
Yes, kids, remember about your hygiene.
Wash your hands
Every day. Go!
Hi.
Hi.
This is me. I have a scarf.
Okay. Come on, let's go. Sit right there, okay?
Hi.
Hello.
This is me. I have a tie.
Okay. You can go and take a seat.
Hi.
Oh, hi.
This is me with a napkin. Here you go.
Take a seat right there.
Okay.
Hey. Hello.
Huh? Oh, hi.
This is me with the cat. This is me with the bell. Yes. Hi.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Well, finally all gathered. Huh? Kids!
1, 2, 3, 4.
Where is he? Kids?
1, 2, 3.
What's going on here? He's gone too!
1, 2,
Where's everybody?
1.
What? Where are you going? Where is he? Hey, wait! Look! The scarf!
Car.
You're not a donkey! Okay, Mike, let's go! Aha! 1. Oh, Doc, did you see this kid? Well, Aha! Huh? Bow tie. Aha! Got you! Let's go! Here's your place.
Okay.
1, 2. Huh? Sheep? Look! Yellow bandana! You're not a sheep! Here you go! Come on, let's go! Here is your place. Take a seat and wait right here, okay?
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Aha! Stop! Cat! Aha! Here you are! Let's go! Aha! Take a seat. Good.
1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, cow. Well. Wait a minute. The bell? The bell. You're not a cow.
Oops, sorry.
I got you. Come on, let's go back.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Come on, Chris, let's find something to eat. The strawberry is so fresh. I want to try first. No, mine. It's mine.
Huh? What's going on there?
Mine.
Hey kids, what's going on?
Oopsie. We better run, Chris.
Kids! It's strawberry.
It's mine. Hey. It's mine. Huh? Mine.
Hey kids, stop! Hey kids, what's happened?
I was wanted to play first. I want to be first. Me. No, I want to be first. I want to be first. I want to be first.
Kids, I've got an idea. This is for you, and this is for you.
Thank you.
This is your side, and this is your side.
Okay.
Enjoy.
Mike, let's play something else. Yeah, okay. Let's go. And this is mine. And this is mine. Iron Man is mine. And this is mine. Oh, chest. I don't need it, Mike. I don't need it too. I don't need it also.
Hey kids, what's going on here? Oh, chess. This is mine.
Aha.
Well, anyways, Mike, let's go play with our toys. I have enough toys. Let's go play, Chris. Let's go. 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna try. Me. No, me.
Huh? Oh, again?
I'm gonna me. No.
Stop. You're good to go. Bye. Hey kids, stop. Kids, I've got that idea.
Aha.
Done! I've got a challenge for you!
Let's go.
Ready, steady, go! Go! Remember kids, always respect each other and don't be greedy!
Champions,